Good morning, Doug. I tried the link out this morning and it's still doing the same thing. When I created the Microsoft Teams meeting this morning, it didn't time out. So I'm thinking yesterday afternoon it must have just been something with the Teams Canvas integration. Anyway, this is what I do. I clicked on that little Teams icon, scroll down, create a meeting link, and then up here at the top, I have the title, my office. Gonna schedule the meeting from today. I'll do 8:30 a.m. to May 9th and create the link. Puts the link in. I save it. And then when I click on it, it does open my Teams app. After I give it permission to do that. Teams is actually already open and running on my computer right now. So it pops up. This is my blurry camera. I have a different one, but join now, and it gives me the same error message. Now it's not 8:30 yet, but this morning I tried it after the start time and it did the same thing. So thought I would send you that. Feel free to give me a call, 815-419-5641. Honestly, I'm probably going to just transition to Zoom. Today I've got a couple conferences. I scheduled them with Canvas conferences. So it's no rush on my end, but I just wanted to send you this. Thanks. Have a great day.